Welcome, in front of me is a Denver SDQ, and today I'll show you how to hard reset the device through the recovery mode. And this process will also remove a screen lock if you have one that you might not know the pattern to. Now to begin, what you want to do is hold power key and select power off. Wait for the device to shut off, and once it has, all you need to do then is hold power key and volume up, both of them at the same time. And from here you should be in the boot mode. So you want to navigate using volume up only. So you can see there is an arrow moving, and you want to select the first option, which is recovery mode, and then press volume down to confirm it. Next page we should see, I believe, Android with no command, and there it is. So to get past this, hold power key, press volume up once, and you should be then in recovery mode. And in here, using again volume keys, this time both of them, you want to navigate down to select Wipe Data Factory Reset and then confirm it with power key. Select yes, and you can see that the process is fairly quick, at least at this stage. Data wipe complete. Then you should see Reboot System now being selected by default, so all you need to do is press power key once more, and now the process will continue in the background. Now this will take about a minute or so, and once it's finished we should be then greeted with the Android setup screen. So I'll be back once that is visible. And as you can see, now the process is finished, and you can now set up your device as however you like. So if you found this video helpful, don't forget to hit like, subscribe, and thanks for watching.